I am in the gorgeous child's bedroom of Liberty and Eliza. Guys, I absolutely love this room. It feels so happy and cozy and cocooning. Tell me ways you've splurged and you've saved in this space.
So we wanted to splurge on the things that were sort of permanent features of this room. So the Kinsman cabinetry is so beautiful, and the handles we absolutely love. So that was our probably biggest splurge for this room, as well as the built-in desk, because this is sort of aimed towards a bit of an older child. And then our beautiful Grafico wallpaper as well was something that we wanted to spend a bit of money on, because we just felt like that was kind of the feature of the room.
What about saving? Because what are smart ways you could sort of cut corners but not compromising on the integrity of the fit out?
We saved a bit of money on our stylings. The actual bed frame we saved on, and then our bedside tables as well was something we saved on. They're things that people can swap out if they want to, but you know, they're perfectly beautiful as they are as well.
What about this Lego piece over here? Is that a splurge?
Yes.
I'm guessing that wasn't a save, guys.
This was made by Brickman, who hosts Lego Masters. So, I mean, we paid money for this, but this is money can't buy.
Priceless.
And just finally, the artwork on the wall, what sort of category would that go into, do you think?
Well, so again, we used Grafico and used some birds from our wallpaper to put up a couple of prints on our wall.
Definitely cheaper than like feature massive artwork that you have to buy and get framed or
I was going to say, that is such a great way to do more affordable art, but it to tie it in with the main sort of theme of the room.
Absolutely, that's what we're hoping for.
Well done, guys. It looks fantastic.
Thank you. Thanks for coming.